Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's future classroom. Here is a question from Trigonometry. Prove that square root of 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Friends, here we have to solve this left hand side to get right hand side. So first let us assume that LHS, that is left hand side, is equal to square root of 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Here we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 plus sine A. We have changed the sign of the term which is in the denominator as 1 plus sine A, and we are multiplying by it to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So you will get square root of into bracket 1 plus sine A, close the bracket, into another bracket 1 plus sine A. We are multiplying by 1 plus sine A to the numerator. Since we have multiplied the numerator by 1 plus sine A, we will have to multiply the denominator also by 1 plus sine A, so that there will be no change in the original number. So multiplying the denominator by 1 plus sine A, we get into bracket 1 minus sine A, close the bracket, into another bracket 1 plus sine A. So multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number, it means we are multiplying by the number by 1 only. And by multiplying by 1 to any number doesn't make any difference in the original number. So here you will get it in the numerator 1 plus sine A multiplied by into another bracket 1 plus sine A. Both brackets are same, so you can write it as 1 plus sine A bracket square. In the denominator it is 1 minus sine A into one bracket, and into another bracket it is 1 plus sine A. It is just as A minus B into another bracket A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So here A is 1 and B is sine A. So A minus B, that will be 1 minus sine A, and A plus B, that will be 1 plus sine A. So that is equal to 1 A square minus B square, that is 1 square is 1 minus B square is sine square A, and so it will be 1 minus sine square A. Friends, which is equal to square root of into bracket 1 plus sine A bracket square. Here this 1 minus sine square A, that is equal to cos square A. So replacing it by cos square A, you will get the denominator as cos square A. So you get it equal to square root of 1 plus sine A bracket square. Its square root will be 1 plus sine A, and square root of cos square A, that will be cos A, and so you get is equal to 1 plus sine A upon cos A. Now friends, here this denominator cos A is common to both 1 and sine A. So separating this denominator, you will get 1 upon cos A plus sine A upon cos A. But 1 upon cos A is sec A. So it will be a sec A, plus sine A upon cos A is tan A. So you get is equal to sec A plus tan A, and hence we have proved root of 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Friends, here is another question of the same type. Square root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. So let LHS is equal to square root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Here, multiplying the numerator by 1 minus cos A and the denominator by 1 minus cos A, you will get into bracket 1 minus cos A, close the bracket, into another bracket 1 minus cos A, upon 1 plus cos A, into another bracket 1 minus cos A, multiplying numerator as well as denominator by 1 minus cos A. So here 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, that will be 1 minus cos A bracket square, upon this is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, that is A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B multiplied by A minus B, that will be A square minus B square, and therefore 1 square will be 1 minus cos square A. But 1 minus cos A bracket square, it's will be as it is, upon 1 minus cos square A. This 1 minus cos square A, that can be replaced by sin square A, because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and therefore 1 minus cos square A will be sin square A. So taking the square root of the numerator and the denominator, 1 minus cos A bracket square, its square root will be 1 minus cos A, and sin square A, its square root will be sin A. So you will get is equal to 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Sin A is a common denominator of both the terms in the numerator. So separating it, you will get 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. But 1 upon sin A is cosec A, and cos A upon sin A is cot A. Therefore 1 upon sin A replaced by cosec A, and cos A upon sin A is replaced by cot A, and therefore we get cosec A minus cot A. Hence we have proved square root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt or any question, please feel free to ask me through comments. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.